when it comes to remote hiring, there are a couple of process. So if you can see on the screen, this is the basic one. So I'm pretty sure that, for each and every organization, the use case may differ, but a basic process for remote hiring, this is going to be the same. That is, you can have an assessment created for a job role initially, have that assessment reviewed by the hiring managers or someone who has technical capabilities. Once that is done, you can just move ahead and start inviting candidates on these assessments. Once the assessments are done, like the appearance from the candidates, the candidate reports will be generated stating the scores, the skill proficiency of the candidate. And based on these reports, you can then move ahead with the shortlisting process. And once this is done, swiftly you can move ahead, shortlist the candidates, and then proceed with your interviews. Okay, so this is going to be the basic process when it comes to remote hiring.